Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I take my supplements very seriously, and vitamin B12 is not the exception. Vitamin B12 is an amazing vitamin with amazing benefits. This one is by the brand Nextdia. It has 10,000 micrograms. It brings 90 tablets, and the way this supplement is used is by placing one tablet underneath the tongue and allowing it to melt. And I also love about this supplement the transparency that it brings, because if you take a look at the label, you can see the other ingredients that this supplement contains. And you can also see the ingredients that it does not contain, just in case there are some ingredients that you do not feel comfortable with taking or that you are not allowed to take. The serving size of this supplement is of one tablet, which I find really convenient because it means that this supplement lasts you for quite a good time as it has 90 tablets. And that is my point of view.